So, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Eggs are a traditional breakfast food, and they can be prepared in millions of different ways. A few that I can list off are poached eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and scrambled eggs. I just like sunny side up eggs because they're easy to make and they taste awesome. Some people like to eat eggs with hot sauce, salsa, or ketchup. I don't like any of that. I just like to put a little bit of salt and pepper on them. There are also really unique ways to create eggs, like the traditional snack in China, tea eggs. Tea eggs are basically hard-boiled eggs that have been cracked and then let soak in a tea mixture. Or baked eggs, which are eggs that have been cracked into a hollowed out dinner roll and then let cook. Usually in America, when someone asks you for eggs, you automatically assume that they're talking about chicken eggs because that's mostly the kind that we eat here. But all around the world, they also eat quail, goose, and duck eggs. In fact, in Great Britain, they also eat seagull eggs, which I'm sure taste amazing. No matter how they're prepared, though, if they're put with the right ingredients, they always taste amazing. So I'd just like to know, what's your favorite style of egg?